Families in town, don't know what to do with them, don't know how to get them out the door, don't know how you can escape. Well, I've got the 5 top holiday markets in Salt Lake City this holiday season for you to check out to get them out of the house. These are the 5 best markets to do so. So if you just moved here, you're visiting during the holidays, or you're living here and you're looking for something to do this holiday season, I've got you with the 5 best things. Stay till the end because the last 2 are super fun. The first one we've got is the Craft Lake City Holiday Market happening on December 2nd and 3rd. We've got 125 Utah-based local artists and vendors, different craft food vendors, food trucks, the works. It's all happening in Ogden's historic Union Station. So if you're looking to get up there from Salt Lake City, you can either drive up or you can actually take the front runner straight there. So jump on the train, get off, save some carbon emissions. Number 2 is the Rebbe Garden Holiday Open House and Glass Art Show that's happening now through December 30th. And it's the Utah Glass Art Guild's 24th year doing it. They're local artisans making all kinds of amazing glass you can hang on the walls, you can actually drink out of, you can display on a countertop, whatever you're looking to get made out of glass, they've got it. It's amazing. It changes out every week or so as people purchase items, new items come in, so it's always changing. So if you think you've seen it all over the last few weeks, come through again and you'd be surprised. And then on December 3rd and 4th, Rebbe Gardens has their holiday open house. So more local vendors doing candles, pottery, different art, fabrics, many different things are going to be happening in the Orangerie at Rebbe Gardens. So go up on December 3rd and 4th, check that out. And also, if you're up there at Red Butte, go take a walk through the gardens. It's amazing no matter what time of the year, regardless of the season. So once you finish shopping, take a look around and enjoy your time up there. All right, so number 3, we've got the Hanukkah Market happening at the Jewish Community Center. It's on December 4th. It's going to be a great time. It's been happening for the last 25 years. So they've got over 20 different vendors selling things from Native American jewelry, handmade from one of the 8 tribal nations here in Utah, to soy candles, to handmade menorahs. You can also purchase potato latkes. They've got New York style bagels, jelly donuts, all for you to purchase. So go by on December 4th at the JCC and do some amazing shopping. The Native American jewelry is fantastic. They do a really great Native American history and vendor art gallery and sale at the Natural History Museum at 2 times of the year, I believe. So we'll do a follow-up. But yeah, check out the Hanukkah Market at the JCC on December 4th. Rounding out the end here, we've got 2 really cool Kindles marts. So that's the old German inspired Christmas markets that happen over in Germany. We've got them all here locally. I mean, they're not the same, obviously, but one really great one is at This Is the Place Heritage Park, and that is where they do full costume of date and place of original settlers and really get into character, don't break character, show you how to do all the traditional weaving, butter making, different crafts, iron work, a lot of different things that they do there. This time of year, they do the Kindles Market. So they're in traditional garb of German Christmas markets. They have traditional wooden market fronts that you're stopping by to purchase goods, crafts, local items, all handmade. Yeah, it's just a unique holiday experience and cultural experience because they really dive into those characters. Like I'm saying, this is the place they really delve into that kind of fully immersive experience. So give them a check out. Kindles Market, This Is the Place, Heritage Park. Try and either Uber there or take a taxi because parking is packed and it fills up fast. So that is happening from November 30th through December 3rd, following into another Kindles Market. So, but if you put some things off till December 17th and 18th, you've got it covered with TF Brewing. They're doing a Kindles Market with 20 plus local vendors, so you can buy some last minute things, maybe some stocking stuffers, maybe a present for an aunt who's coming to Christmas who you didn't know was coming. But they got you covered. So we've got Glühwein, which is mulled wine. They've also got great local craft beers that all the locals are loving over at TF Brewing. They've got some good food vendors coming. So they've got you covered. If you need to do some last minute shopping, again, that's the Kindles Market at TF Brewing on the 17th and 18th of December. So that's it, guys. Salt Lake City's popping. Winter's a great time to be here. And these are the 5 most amazing winter markets that you're going to need to stop by in order to have a great time this winter and holiday season. Entertain the in-laws, whoever's coming in, bring them to the Heritage Park, whatever you need to do to get them out of your house when you're cooking or entertaining kids, whatever it might be. Send them out to do some shopping out in these amazing markets and have a good time. They'll have a great experience. Take some photos. If you're looking for some more information like this, please subscribe, like, comment down below which one of these is your favorite, what you're looking forward to most this winter season, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you.